Hey, what's up guys? Derek here with EZLYNK. Today we're going to go over different ways you guys can view your data with the AutoAgent 3. We've got the AutoAgent 3 plugged in. We're going to show you what it looks like, what gauges you can view. There's obviously gauges you can view on your factory dashboard, but there's a lot more that's going on behind the scenes with your vehicle that you're able to see with the AutoAgent 3. So to start, we've got our vehicle plugged in with the AutoAgent. We've got our dashboard here. We're signed into the AutoAgent app. We're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and we're going to hit dashboard. So you can see on the top, you've got tiles, gauges, and graphs. So with the tiles, you can go in and select them, just a different way to view them. We've got our engine coolant temp, boost pressure, EGTs, and our DPF soot load. So one thing with this Duramax here is it doesn't tell you your DPF soot load, and so the AutoAgent 3 with that PID allowed you to view that. You can also go into gauges. So if you want to have it in a portrait view or even to a landscape view, you can go on and turn it, and then you can go in and customize this to your liking. With that, you can click on it, and depending on your vehicle, you'll be able to see tons and tons of different PIDs. Select what you want, select a warning level if you may, and hit done, exit, and away you go. And then if you're doing data logging, you've got the option to do graphs. So you've got your selection down here in the bottom, and in the right hand corner, if you hit that lightning bolt, you can record the data and record that, and so that your technician can see what's going on within the vehicle. So one cool feature that we have for you guys with the AutoAgent 3, being able to view live data and just showing you different options that we have within our app. Thanks guys.